Cybersecurity 101, protecting your digital life from hidden dangers. Imagine waking up to find your bank account drained, your social media hijacked, and your personal photos held for ransom. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, every 39 seconds, to people just like you. Hey there, digital warriors. I'm RDK, and welcome to our eye-opening series on cybersecurity. What I'm about to share might shock you, but more importantly, it could save you from becoming the next victim of cybercrime. In 2024, cybercrime isn't just targeting tech giants or celebrities anymore. 76% of cyber attacks now target everyday people like you and me. Why? Because we're making one critical mistake, leaving a massive digital footprint that's basically a treasure map for hackers. But here's the good news. I'm going to show you how to become invisible to cybercriminals while still enjoying everything the internet has to offer. Think of it as your personal invisibility cloak for the digital age. Let's do something shocking. Pull out your phone and follow along. We're going to see just how exposed you might be right now. Google your name. Check your Facebook privacy settings. Look up your email address on heavybeanporn.com. Scared yet? Don't be. I'm about to show you how to lock this down. Digital minimalism isn't about going off the grid. It's about being smart with your digital presence. Think of it like this. Would you leave your house keys, bank statements, and personal photos on your front lawn? That's exactly what many of us are doing online. Here's what happens when you overshare online. Cybercriminals create detailed profiles about you. They use AI to predict your behaviors and vulnerabilities. They craft personalized attacks that you won't see coming. Let's build your digital defense shield. I'm going to show you 3 game-changing strategies that even cyber experts use. We're going to audit your online presence using my exclusive shield method. Search yourself online like a hacker would. Hunt down forgotten accounts. Identify high-risk information. Eliminate unnecessary digital traces. Lock down remaining accounts. Defend your new minimal footprint. I'm about to show you the exact settings that make your accounts virtually impenetrable. We'll cover the 2-factor authentication trick that even hackers respect, a password strategy that you'll actually remember, the VPN setup that makes you invisible online. You don't have to become a digital hermit. I'll show you how to share without oversharing, network without compromising security, stay social while staying safe. But what if you're already compromised? Don't panic. In our next video, we're diving into emergency response protocols, account recovery secrets, identity theft protection strategies, and the step-by-step system to rebuild your digital security. Your digital security can't wait. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell right now to catch our next video on account compromise detection. Drop a comment with your biggest cybersecurity concern. I read and respond to every comment. Remember, in today's digital world, privacy isn't just a right, it's your responsibility. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay secure, and stay one step ahead of the cybercriminal.